Alrighty, y'all. You see the board. We are running it up. We are trying our best. Today, we have a house wash that I booked yesterday off of Facebook Marketplace. You guys are sleeping on it. We'll talk about that later. That's $300. We're gonna add it to the board. Bah! This is a special tool here. It's called the ball valve. It goes on the end of your hose, in between the hose and your gun or your surface cleaner, and you're able to shut the water off with this valve here, on and off, to help you transition between your gun or your surface cleaner. So if you don't have one, get one.
All right, so there it is. You can see all that algae, small grime building up there, and all that. So pretty much the dirtiest spot here. So take some pictures and then get it clean. All right, so see that big black stain? Just gonna hit that with some chemical and let it sit and do its job.
Alrighty, guys, that is what I'm talking about. We got this job done in almost exactly 2 hours. We're on day 4, $100,000 challenge. Yesterday, I had a house wash that I booked off of Facebook Market, guys. And today, we have a gutter cleaning, another gutter cleaning. Don't sleep on these gutter cleanings. It's another $200, so we're gonna add that to the board as well. Guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the content, following along with us. We very much appreciate it. So let's get into it. Yes, sir. So completed this job. We went all around the house with the gutters and the soffits. So that was a total of $200 right there. And as we were cleaning that, Anthony, you already know the drill, went out and got another job for us. I didn't get much content because we were trying to get things done quick. At least move on to the next job efficiently and get it done because it was unexpected, right? So you can see we're cranking this job out. Anthony's up there getting those gutters done. And this job was a total of $350. So we're gonna add that to the board like we mentioned later. But definitely shows the effort that we're putting into getting these jobs, right? They're mostly organic. Like, we're getting jobs door knocking, word to mouth. We're not doing no paid advertisement. So this is just proof for you guys to see, like, you know, you don't need much to go out there and just try to hustle and start something, right? It might not all come today. It might not even be a complete idea in your head today. But if you can just start somewhere, you won't regret it. So we just got this house. We're not doing the house wash. We're just doing the gutters and the soffits and then the driveway and sidewalk. So you can see it's actually due for the pressure washing. So, you know, we're not necessarily just selling. We're helping people. You know, we're helping communities, getting them clean. So definitely recommend some flyers or some type of branding. So where you knocking on these doors, you can kind of give the homeowner something and in return, potential job. So all right, guys, so we just finished up for today, day 4 of the 100K challenge. We're only getting bigger and better. It is a beautiful day today. Next week we got jobs lined up for you guys.
Big jobs.
It's gonna be exciting, so stay tuned for day 5. Cha-ching.